For our homemade quick and easy pizza sauce, I've got this recipe from ohsweetbasil.com. For our sauce, we're gonna turn our pan onto medium heat, and we're gonna add our oil and our butter and let them start heating up. And the recipe says to heat this to a simmer. So you want it to be pretty warm before we start adding in our spices. All right, I can see it bubbling on the side here, so I'm gonna add in our spices and let them bloom for 30 seconds to a minute, stirring it in. And then we're going to quickly add our brown sugar here, our water, our cheese, and our sauce. I'm gonna stir these in. Looks good there, so I'm gonna add in our sugar. I'm adding in our cheese now. Our water. Give that a stir. And our sauce. Any canned sauce will do. I also need to add in the tomato paste. It calls for 4 tablespoons for each one, so I'm gonna need 16 tablespoons total. Let me stir this in with the salt and pepper, and we're going to turn down that heat and let it simmer while the dough is rising. There we go.